What's up, guys? Welcome back, gamers. It's your boy Go-To Gamer here. I wish I had a channel so I should say my name.
With
Jacob Raleigh.
And
it used to be Jake Raleigh 31. You can still subscribe to that channel.
Jawbusters. I have red and show what the heck you have. Yellow. So let's do this.
Look.
Oh wow. So let's get right into it. Alright, so right off the bat, packaging is pretty good. Joe. What?
It just started.
Yeah, I know. And
introduce yourself.
No, I already did the other video before that. So yeah, it switched. But mine is red obviously and his is yellow. So let me get
yellow because I like cream balls.
Album? I don't like it. Not really.
You do realize why they're called Jawbusters?
Mm-hmm.
Ew.
Mm-mm. I don't like it.
No.
Okay, go. Hey guys, I'm bleeding. Oh my god. It's all red, dude. That's disgusting. It literally tastes like you're kind of like tasting disgusting fluoride kind of vitamins. Look, he doesn't even want his. He's about to spit his out.
You should show me.
And of course, he just spit his out. Ew, so make sure to like, favorite, and subscribe, and I'll see you later, gamers.